Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma. I am giving you guys an update. I think by the time you see this video, the news will already be out. So today is Thursday, May 14th, 4 days until my birthday. By the time you see this video, I guess you will probably already know, so I'll just say it right now. I am expanding my business and I'm expanding into beauty and cosmetics. The first product that I will be having available is lip gloss. Yay! I can't clap with both hands because I'm holding the camera with my right hand. But yes, I have started a lip gloss business. Today as it stands, I don't have my website up or anything, but I do have my domain name. But yes, you guys all know me for my videos, my hair videos, my sewing tutorials, vlogs, performance videos, or whatever like that. So yeah, I want to let you know how I was inspired. Earlier part of this year, I watch YouTube, so I think I saw a picture of a girl named Real Nye. I'm sorry if her name is wrong, I'll put it in the description, but I saw a picture on Instagram. I'm not sure if I saw the Instagram picture first or if I saw the YouTube video first. Either way, I saw a picture of her sitting there with like a whole bunch of pink mailers. And I'm like, oh my God, that's so nice. And so when I looked, I saw that she was selling lip gloss. And I started to notice like a trend amongst a lot of young Black entrepreneurs, female, that they all started selling lip gloss. And I was already looking to expand my business. As you guys know, I sew, I make clothing, and I also sell hair accessories, satin bonnets, hair socks, hair ties, satin head wraps, lots of other things like that too. And lots of custom things. But I wanted to expand, and I was looking for different things to expand. So then I came across a lip gloss, and I was like, I think this is something I would like to do because I love lip gloss, and I've always loved lip gloss, and I found it like more recently, like it's been kind of hard to find like good lip gloss. So I'm like, I think that's something I could do. So in the beginning part of February, I just started to do research. Now I have to give some shout outs to some of the first people that I saw who really inspired me. Number one is oh, now I know. Okay, this is what it is. I was gonna start selling hair, and I may still do that, but when I started to do research on it, you guys know that I'm known on YouTube for natural hair and things like that, and more recently I've been doing a 1-year challenge, protective style challenge. And so that's when I've gotten a chance to try out, lots of different wigs and pieces and stuff like that. I've been having a blast. But part of the reason for doing that as well was to start to learn about hair. It's like, if I'm gonna sell hair, I wanna learn about it. But then I came across a girl named Anna Doll, and she was doing like wig reviews. And then I noticed that she had videos on her business and her entrepreneurship and stuff, and she was selling sweatsuits. So I just really liked her videos because they were very inspiring, very real, very raw, very open about how she went about putting her business together, first branding one way and then rebranding. So I took a liking to her, and I think, when you watch one person, you see in the videos like suggested videos. So then another girl that came up was Real Nye. That's how it happened. And I saw her with all of her pink mailers and stuff like that, and I noticed she sold lip gloss. So I started to watch a couple of her videos. Then I came across another girl named Bougie Barbie, and I started to see her videos. Oh my gosh, she is so inspiring too. Like, I was just so happy to see young Black women who look like me, who were successful. And I don't know, like, just this feeling in my heart just came over me, just overwhelmed with joy and happiness that, a lot of us are looking for ways to make money and to be successful, and to actually see young women who look like me who are successful. So I'm like, this is so awesome. And the fact that they were very transparent with how they went about starting from the beginning and becoming as successful as they are. So I'm like, I think this is something that I could do. So then I came across another YouTuber, Mocha P Beauty, and she's another young entrepreneur, like 21, 22 something. I mean, the success that they have, I'm telling you, because I've been on YouTube since 2009. So I'm kind of like a YouTube OG, what would you call it? OG YouTuber? Yeah, an OG YouTuber. So I didn't see that when I first started out on YouTube. I mean, I saw a couple of people starting out, but they weren't honest and open about their process, and not so many were, so successful. But I guess now with the internet and everything like that, we have information getting to us faster, and we are catching on. So kudos to all of the young Black female entrepreneurs. I am so happy and I'm excited to be a part of it. But yeah, so that's a little backstory on how I decided to sell lip gloss. So now we're at the part where I'm in the beginning stages, but I've done all my research. I've purchased my beginning tools and products, and I just wanted to show you. So right now I'm in the process of organizing, so you'll just watch me organize. I thought it would be good to do the video so I can have as a reference, a starting point. A lot of you guys know I just moved 6 months ago, so I'm still getting things together. But I think as soon as I fix my office space and have that neat, you guys will see, how it all comes together. So follow me along. Okay, you guys, so this is an organizer that I have. And, I was starting from scratch, not knowing that I was even gonna start selling lip gloss. But I've been ordering all of the products that I need, like lip gloss base, the syringes, the pigments and everything like that. Here's some of the things that I have right now. It just looks like a mess, and I'm gonna be organizing it right now in this. Little side note, I have a fabric business too, so here is my messy shelf. It's messy because I just went through it, right? It doesn't always look like that, but it is messy. And I just got this so that this is not messy anymore. I'm getting it together, guys. Okay, so you're gonna watch me as I get this together. Okay, so I can show you a little bit of the things that I got just so you get an idea. I got, and these are things that I didn't buy at one time. I bought them little by little as I could. Box of syringes. I got this from Amazon. I don't remember prices because, like I told you, I started shopping in early March and we're in May now. So this is a collective account of what I've gotten. I got gloves. I know these are no longer available because of the pandemic. They've been selling out, but before this whole pandemic, I was buying stuff in preparation for my business, so I got these gloves. I got spout bags. I'm not showing my address. Yeah, this is just a whole thing of spout bags because I'm gonna be. These are spout bags. I'll just show you right here. So I can, when I'm selling my lip gloss base, I got lip gloss tubes, the squeeze tubes. I got 2 bags of those. I have more, but this is just, I got the lip gloss base. I originally got mine from TKB. I got 2 bags. This is what I'm starting out with. And I got 2 smaller bags from another company because at one point TKB was not shipping orders due to the pandemic. And excuse my nails, I still got to get them done. And these are my pigments, as you can see, to color the gloss. This is a bag of pipettes. Let me see. These are the pipettes. I got 300 of those. I also have wand tubes. I'm starting out with 200 wand tubes. I think with the squeeze tubes, I may have about 250 squeeze tubes just to start. And yeah, that's about it. I got my oils. I got small containers of fractionated coconut oil. Let me just show you now. This is my fractionated coconut oil. I got 2 bottles of this. Yeah, guys, and that's about it. So I'm gonna organize. I have my organizer here. I'm gonna organize all my lip gloss stuff first, and then I'll head on into fabric. I don't know yet if I want to do half and half. This is a 16 cube organizer. I don't know if I want to do half on top and half on bottom, or 2 rows here, 2 rows here. We'll see. But let me get all of this stuff organized, and I'll come back and show you. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. This I'm not done yet. I gotta get new bins. This is just photo albums and a whole bunch of stuff I gotta organize, but I was more focused on my storage organizer. So far so good, and that's my desk area right here. I'm not done yet, but this is what I was able to accomplish in a few hours. So I'm gonna finish tomorrow probably, because my birthday is on Monday and today's Thursday night into Friday, and I'm just trying to get my business organized, my desk and workspace clean, organized, and ready for business. And this is it. I'll come back with a final because I still have to get a chair. I'm gonna get a rug, and some things have to be organized, but this is what I was able to accomplish in a few hours. I also have another desk actually that I have to set up, because this desk here is not enough space for my sewing machines and my computer. So, you know, I'm going to have I have a lot of work to do with the space, but so far so good, and I will keep you guys posted.